Yeah, this is a Subaru Impreza 2002. Yeah, filter radio. She have a intercooler there, no, but she ain't really a big one. No. That's just the first upgrade on top of it, yo. But this in the back here is the stage 2 turbo. The stock turbo a little smaller than that. A little smaller. And then we got the pipes. Pipes run through there good. Yeah, we pretty much bring this car back from the grave and how it was on the ground and thing. So yeah. So everything on it good. Me, Mario, the boss man himself there. So it's got a piece of exhaust on the back there, right? So yeah, this is the shit.